So Microsoft have launched 3 agents in the Copilot chat for M365. So these are for Excel, PowerPoint and Word, and they're really rather good, particularly if you want to create a new file. So let's take a look. So if we go to the sidebar on the left, we can see them here, Excel, PowerPoint and Word listed under agents. If they are not on your menu here, then just go to all agents. You might see them listed below here somewhere, or you can just search here and they should pop up. So you can see Excel there, and then just pin it so that it appears in your left-hand menu. So this is really the way forward if you want to create a new file. So for example, with Excel, if you're looking to create a new spreadsheet from data, then this is going to give you a much better quality response than if you just use the main regular chat or if you used Excel itself. So let's take a look with a pre-prepared prompt here. So what we're going to do is use Copilot to analyze the NILC website, look at different courses and make some recommendations for beginners, managers and technical learners, highlighting the relevant courses for each of those groups. So let's just fire that off. And what will almost certainly happen is that we'll get some qualifying questions via multiple choice, so nice and easy, just so that we can steer Copilot in the right direction. So it's just analyzing the prompt now, and it's now come back with some qualifying questions for us. So what is the primary use case for the analysis in your demo? So we're going to make it external for advising prospective learners. Which learner segment should the recommendation prioritize? So really it's for everyone, so we'll say all equally, and what we'll do is a high level overview of key courses only. So this is going to take a bit of time, so what I'm going to do is just fire that off and leave it to do its thing, and then we will come back shortly. So after about 10 minutes, we're back and Copilot has done its work. So we've got a split screen this time from left to right. So we've got our original prompt on the left, we've got those qualifying questions that Copilot asked us, and then it went about its business. Very useful that we have the reasoning here, so Copilot's methodology, so we can check that it's done a full and comprehensive and accurate job here. And then we've got a summary of what it's produced, and then the actual sheets that it's produced, we have got that confirmed here with the course master list, course comparison by category, delivery format, funding programs, learner pathway recommendations, which we asked for, and sources. So really a good comprehensive job, which we will take a look at now. So on the right, we've got the completed workbook. We've got the sheets underneath here. So let's take a look. We've got the course master list. So pretty comprehensive there with the pricing, level, learner type, again, a specific that was asked for. Got the course comparison, really handy visuals here with these tables that we can take a look at. So we can look at those there. Then we've got delivery format, so whether it's live instructor or a virtual course online or on site. And then if we go to the final two, we've got funding programs, final three, we've got funding programs for those people interested in funding. Got learner pathway recommendations, very useful, all professionally and neatly laid out. And then we've got the sources, all the different pages from the website there. So all in all, super useful and really professionally curated, much better than producing this in Excel itself using Copilot or just using the Copilot chat. So that would be my recommendation. Definitely use the agent when it comes to creating anything to do with data. So this time we used external data, a website, but you can also point it internally at your organization's data and use that. And finally, for convenience, you've got an open in Excel button there, so you can just click that and open it in Excel if required. So there we go, using the new 365 agent in Copilot chat. Hope you found that useful.